हेलो गाइस, आज का जो अपना टॉपिक है दैट इज़ न्यूमेरिकल एब्नॉर्मेलिटीज़ ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, सम स्ट्रक्चरल एब्नॉर्मेलिटीज़ ऑफ क्रोमोसोम दैट यू मस्ट नो एंड 3 syndromes which are very important by the MCQ point of view. Actually this lecture is important in the MCQ point of view only. So let's start our lecture today. So we know that the humans have 46 chromosomes in 23 pairs. 22 pairs are autosomes and one is sex chromosome pair. Okay, so in that autosomes, when an extra chromosome is added, it leads to trisomy, or there is a deletion of one chromosome from the autosomes, it leads to monosomy. Okay, so examples: Down syndrome, trisomy of 21; Edwards syndrome, trisomy of 18; Patau syndrome, trisomy of 13 chromosome. Okay, so now we see in the sex chromosome pair there can be absence of a sex chromosome or additional sex chromosome present. In Klinefelter syndrome, additional X chromosome is added, so it leads to XXY, that is karyotype 47 XXY. In Turner syndrome, it is 45 XO. Okay, now some structural abnormalities that you must know. First abnormality is deletion. What is deletion? This is loss of segment of a chromosome. It leads to Cre-Du-Cat syndrome, that is deletion of 5p. Okay. Second is microdeletion, which is deletion detected by high resolution banding. So clinical condition, the proximal part of long arm of 15q, if paternally inherited, leads to Prader-Willi syndrome. Okay, so which part is affected in Prader-Willi syndrome? 15q, long arm of 15q. So now we will see 3 syndromes. First is Patau syndrome. It is an autosomal abnormality. It is trisomy of chromosome 13, or also called trisomy D. Okay, so what are the clinical features we see in Patau syndrome? First is malformation of the brain at birth. Second, cleft lip, cleft palate. Third, congenital heart disease, polydactyly, and newborn won't survive for more than few weeks. So these are some 5 clinical features of the Patau syndrome: malformation of brain, cleft lip, cleft palate, congenital heart disease, polydactyly, newborn won't survive for more than few weeks. So next syndrome is Edwards syndrome. Now in Edwards syndrome, it is also autosomal abnormality, trisomy of chromosome 18 or trisomy E. Okay, so it has 3 clinical features. These are worth remembering features. First is rocker bottom feet. Second, elongated face with flat nose, low set ears and micrognathia. Okay, rocker bottom feet with elongated face with flat nose, low set of ears and micrognathia. Usually they will not survive beyond infancy. Beyond infancy they won't survive. So in Prader-Willi syndrome, we know that the paternal genes on chromosome 15 are missing. Paternal genes, so genes of father on chromosome 15 are missing. The proximal part of long arm of 15q is affected. Which is the affected part? Proximal part of long arm of 15q. Okay, so it has certain clinical features which are obesity, intellectual disability and shortness in height. I want you to revise all these topics which are taught today and today itself only. These are very important from MCQ point of view. Also they can be asked as a sub question in a SAQ.